Oh. Do they think this is good? Oh my god. Oh, they should be ashamed of themselves. What? Oh my god.
I said my name aloud so far, so I'm just letting you know.
For my superpower. Ah! Ah! I think I just heard the door knock. You should probably get that in case it's someone important. Was you?
Easy, Robo-Satan. Not this mirror.
Moving on to my second from last point. We have this stupid. No one likes you. Fed up.
I'm confused. On second thought, you're way harder than Doll. Run!
You're in trouble now. You asked for it. I think it's time you'll do that beatdown, huh? What a lovely day for a walk. Have a look at this right here. It's something I'm incredibly passionate about. Ah!
Bite me.
You asked for it. I think it's time you'll do that beatdown, huh? Huh? Ninja! I'm coming! Why did you do that? Oh my god. Oh. I've never done this before! Oh, this is terrifying! Oh, I want to get down! Oh, you hit me! You oh. That was disastrous! Alright, you're starting to leave me almost no choice. Put it down now. No, put it down right now. This will be your final warning before... Oh, you hit me. Oh, you've really hurt me. Oh my god, you've really hurt me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you've really hurt me. You've really hurt me. Oh. Hello there. Get a load of that. Look at that. That's stupid, isn't it? Wow. See ya.